So when it comes to the NICE model, it's a very important thing to kind of keep in mind. Um, that that fifth gas giant played a crucial role in the formation of the solar system, and it's a big deal because they discovered this only a few years ago as it was, and I actually watched a video on the formation of the formation of the solar system a while back, and they talked about this nice model, and it was the missing piece to how the Earth was there, or how the Earth is here where it is now, and it's all thanks to Jupiter as well that it played out the way it did because Jupiter ended up in unintentionally, like they're planets, they don't have a mind of their own, but Jupiter tossed out the nice model, or not the nice model, tossed out the new planet. Um, but it's a big deal because it makes everything make sense in the end with the way the solar system played out. With all of the models that we had, none of them were working out the way our solar system ended up. And so the nice model actually fits up perfectly to how our solar system ended up, pretty much perfectly. I shouldn't say perfect. There's nothing perfect, but it worked out fairly well, and we got to where we are today, with the nice model working out, and with that fifth gas giant. We're here today to talk about it simply because of that fifth gas giant. So it is a very important thing to kind of keep in mind there. And with that, a lot of these gas giants did help in the formation of the early planets because they were there, um, as these giant gravity sinks, absorbing a lot of the impacts of all these larger asteroids and things like that have been present in the early solar system, and protecting the inner planets as they formed, from catastrophic impacts that would have surely blown them up, and destroyed them 10 times over. So these gas giants played a very necessary role, in what they did. Um, and that's what made life possible here on Earth was those shield planets per se, as well as the moon, allowing life to form and prosper here on Earth, with a set few cases of um, asteroids hitting the planet. So